Okay, I'm going to show you how to install an app in Schoology. This one is specifically going to be PlayPosit. Right now, I'm in my practice course, and when I scroll down on the left menu, you can see these are the apps that I've installed so far, just Infinite Campus and Nearpod. So I'm going to go to my App Center. It's from this little waffle menu at the top, and I'm going to click App Center. And in this case, the one that I'm looking for is PlayPosit. I'm going to click on that. And yes, I want to install the app. Yes, I agree. I've already assigned PlayPosit in many of my apps, but I did not do it in the practice course. So I'm going to select it here. Install is what I want. But again, make sure that you have checked all of the courses that you want and click install. And then I'm going to go back to my course. And you will now see on this left menu, I now see PlayPosit. If I made a mistake, I can easily check this X. Okay, and then it'll say, are you sure you want to uninstall this app? Well, no, I just went through and installed it. But you can easily uninstall any of the apps that you have added to your Schoology course.